Good afternoon, sir. So my problem statement for front-end skill test 1 is to-do list using vanilla JS. So here is how I approach the problem. In the front-end part, what I did is uh, I have divided the front-end into three sections. One is header, second is the main section. So here what I did is in the front-end part, I have created one navbar section which consists of navbar icon as well as the navbar header. And in the main section, what I did is I have created a to-do container which consists of input box and the to-do icon as well as the to-do button which is used to add a task. The controls container for listing the task based upon its status such as pending, all task and completed. So here initially the active one is all, and to-do list container is used to display the task added by the user. Task stat container is used to count the particular category task such as pending, all task and completed. So total task will determine the count of the total task. Completed task will determine the count of the completed task, and remaining task will determine the count of the remaining task. So here is how the HTML ends. In the CSS part, I have given the CSS to each and every components mentioned in the HTML, such as body section, which consists of background size, and as well as background repeat. Header section, navbar container, to do button, controls, filter span, controls, and all these are the components I have used in the index.html. So here is the CSS for each and every elements in the HTML. So this is the JavaScript part for this problem statement. So here what I did is I have used query selector for each and every element to access it in the JavaScript. So first of all, in this filter one, what I am doing is I am filtering out the task based upon uh, based upon the categories such as pending, all and completed. In the store item function, what I am doing is I am using local storage to store the items that were entered in the to-do list. Task input can be done via pressing enter or via add button. So this is the add its event listener for pressing enter, and this is the add to button for on click event. So this is the part for that add addition of the task. And in on keep up event is used when if we enter some letters inside the to do input, the add button will get activated, and it will get activated if the task input is empty. So show menu is used to show the uh, particular task to edit as well as to delete. Edit task is used to perform edit operation. Delete task is used to perform delete task. Clear all is used to clear all the task, and update status is used if the task is added and selected, then mark it as complete, and if the task is added and not checked, then mark it as pending. And count task is used to count a task of the particular category such as remaining, pending and all. Show to do is used to display all the tasks from each categories. So here is how I approach the problem. So this is the output of the given problem statement. So this is the task one I have entered. We can press enter to add the task, as well as we can enter the task via add button. So this is the categories add, pending, all and completed. We can select the checkbox to complete all the tasks. When I enter another task, task 3 as well as task 4, these two are completed, these two are uncompleted. So this will be displayed in the pending section, and this will be displayed in the completed one. In order to edit the task, we can do this like this. And in order to delete a particular task, we can delete it as well. And these are the count of each section. Total task completed and remaining. In order to clear all the tasks, we can press clear all. This is my project. Thank you.